this is our case, the title of our case study, a study on the satisfaction level of the water fountain in the university. So in the introduction, so we researchers we conducted this study because the importance of this study is we want to figure out the satisfaction level of water fountain with the accessibility of it, the taste of it, the sanitation of the water, and the temperature and the water flow of the water fountain. Then for the conceptual framework, in the Ateneo de Davao University, so there are 5 major departments, which is the School of Engineering and Architecture, School of Business and Governance, School of Nursing, School of Education, and School of Arts and Sciences. So these are our respondents when we conducted our research, and our dependent variable is the satisfaction level of water fountain, and this is my topics.
Next is the statement of the problem. In our set of the problem, there are 3, which is first is what is the profile of the respondents, and next is what is the satisfaction level of water fountains among university students, and also if there is there a significant difference in the satisfaction level of water fountains among university students. And next slide is our hypothesis. Our hypothesis is there's no significant difference on the satisfaction level on the water fountain among these 5 divisions among the university students, and we are failed to reject our hypothesis. And just next slide.
So this is our method.
So the researcher gathered the data from the school. So again, the researcher gathered data from the School of Engineering and Architecture, School of Business and Governance, School of Arts and Sciences, School of Education, and School of Nursing students. Since the population is unknown, the researcher used Cochrane's formula to estimate the sample size. So why did we use Cochrane? Okay, ang respondents man ang respondents ay 377. Tapos so survey was conducted from the 3rd week of September 2019.
So for the results that for the division is based on the respondents that they answered our survey questionnaire is 25.2% for the School of Business and Governance, and 22.5% for the School of Engineering, and 22.2% for the School of Nursing, and 16.7% for the School of Education, and 15% the School of Arts and Science. We use the pie graph because it is a nominal division. And this is the satisfaction that is drinking water. The average is the 24.4%, which means they are satisfied to the taste of drinking water. And the second question is the temperature of the water, which means they are also satisfied because the highest is the 22.5%. And the flow of the water fountain is also they are satisfied because the average is the 23.9%. And for the fourth question is the sanitation of the water fountains. The respondents is the neutral because the average is in the middle of the rates, which means the average is 19.4%. And also the accessibility of the water fountains, last is they are already satisfied. Yeah, that's because the average is 17.5%. So for the table of the test of normality, we find this first because we follow the step-by-step process based on the statistical framework. Because first is it is a one dependent variable, and then the types of the dependent variable is categorical, and then it is one only independent variable, which means the divisions, and then the types of independent variable is the categorical because it is a words only. And then how many categories we are in the dependent variable is more than a dependent variable is more than 2. And then it is a different participants because iba-iba yung nag-respond sa mga survey questionnaire namin, the SPG, SON, SOE, SOA. And then dito namin magagamit yung test of normality o kung malaman kung it is a Cruz-Wallis or ANOVA. So, based on the test of normality sa Kolmogorov-Smirnov, out of sa 5 division, meron siyang naiba na less than to 0.05. That's why we choose the Cruz-Wallis. Kasi yung each division niya, isa lang man yung naiba na less than 0.05. If lahat yun na greater than yung division, magagamit kami ng ANOVA. But iba man yung meron siyang isang division na less than. So, for the test of homogeneity of variance, for the level of satisfaction, the variance were equal to 4.372. Dito namin yung kinuha sa degree of freedom 1 and degree of freedom 2. And then the living statistics is 5.86%, and then less than siya to 0.05%. So, not normal yung homogeneity of variance. So, ito yung Cruz-Wallis test table. Kinuha namin siya sa SPSS format by getting the average and the divisions, and then by analyze and choose the non-parametric, and then legacy. And after that, doon mo makita ang key independent. So, dito na yung makikita yung Cruz-Wallis test, the ranks and the mean rank. And dito yung makikita yung bakit fail to reject yung hypothesis namin, because the asymptotic significant value is greater than to 0.05% is ito yung asymptotic significant value is 0.67. And ito yung median satisfaction level na table na kinuha namin sa SPSS, yung each division na median.
So next is the conclusion. So we based our conclusion on the questions addressed in our statement of the problem. So first is the profile of the respondents is based on their division, which is the School of Engineering and Architecture, School of Business and Governance, School of Arts and Science, School of Education, and School of Nursing students. So for the next one is the results. So out of 377 respondents, only 284 or 75% are satisfied with the taste of drinking water. 57 respondents are 15.1% neutral, and 38 respondents are 9.5% not satisfied. So out of 377 respondents, only 280 are 74.2% satisfied with the temperature of the water fountain. 68 respondents are 18% neutral, and 29 respondents are 7.8% not satisfied. Third is that out of 377 respondents, only 254 respondents are 67.4% satisfied with the flow of the water fountain. 61 respondents are 16.2% neutral, and 62 respondents are 16.5% not satisfied. For the fourth is that out of 377 respondents, only 217 respondents are 57.7% satisfied with the sanitation of the water fountains. 73 respondents are 19.4% neutral, and 87 respondents are 23% not satisfied. Last is that out of 377 respondents, only 275 respondents are 72.8% satisfied with the accessibility of the water fountain. 34 respondents are 9% neutral, and 68 respondents are 18% not satisfied. Lastly, there is no significant difference on the satisfaction level of the water fountain among SAE, SBG, SAS, SE, and School of Nursing students. So, our studies failed to reject. So, for the implication, the results shows that on average, the satisfaction level on the water fountain for SAE is 6.60, SBG is 6.20, SAS is 7.10, SAE is 6.40, and for the School of Nursing is 6.20. So, based on the result, since the satisfaction level of the students does not significantly differ from each other, we the researchers would not imply any changes on the water fountains.
So that is the end of our presentation in our PowerPoint in our thesis, which is the satisfaction level of water fountains in the university. Thank you.